YouTube, what's going on? Your boy, Not Your Average Hybrid, back with another video. Whew, as you can see, it's a scorch out here, but you know, I gotta make you guys a video. Remember my last video? Yes sir, guys, it came in straight from Amazon, a little dented, but it's fine. Yes sir, as you can see, got the red caliper paint. Just normal, you know, paint. That's not a spray or anything. That's what I always use. If it's a spray, no chips after a while. I've always used this and it always held up pretty good. So, got my brushes right here in the bag. All good. So, yes sir. Jack stains, heavy jack. So, today's the day, guys. Like I said, it's hot out here, 98 degrees. But yeah, I actually got it all for free on Amazon. If you don't know how, I got a few videos on my channel. Yeah, all I did was take pictures of my receipts and points add up, and I had about, well, this time I redeemed, I think, like $41 of free Amazon. So I got videos on my channel. Fetch rewards is one, receipt hog, get upside, I have that too. I think it's two other ones, coin out, and I think it's one other one. But yeah, guys, I think receipt pal. But yeah, guys, let's check out my videos on that if you want to know how to get free Amazon gift cards just by taking a picture of your receipt. You feel me? You're gonna throw it away anyway. Might as well make it, you feel me, a few extra coins. So yeah, guys, but let's get straight to it. Alright, got the car. Lugs all loose, as you can see, all the way around. Just to give you guys a nice quick before. Last time you're gonna see the silver steel drum. Last time you're gonna see the silver cab. So yeah, guys, here we go. About to get busy. All right, guys, got the car all jacked up. As you can see. First, I'm gonna start with the brake cleaner. Okay, hit it with the brake cleaner, let that dry a little bit. My soapy water I'm gonna use, wipe that down, let that dry, so make sure your surface is nice and clean. I guess no need to really sand it. Like it says, the car's pretty much brand new, got it last year, 2021, so it's not really in any rust or anything, so it's painting over should be good. Soapy water, spray it on there. Microfiber. Down, let it dry, it should be A1. Okay, back drum. Okay, now they're all wiped down and clean. Now time to pretty much paint them, guys. Tape, just to mask off some things you don't want to, you know, necessarily paint on. Little rubber guide pin right here. Ooh, dying on here. But yeah, I'm gonna take off a little bit of hardware, since if you just know, don't like your paint on. And yeah, pretty much gonna paint them in. You see the before, you won't see the after. Alright guys, real quick, just a few parts I just taped off. Like I said, just the guide pin, screw, just a little cap right there, guide pin on the bottom. So there, and for the back drum, this is not really going to take it off. I'm not going to take it off. It's taped off the studs, so time to pretty much get the paint. Okay, got everything all ready, prepped to paint. Got the can open. Yes, sir. But since it's so hot out here, I'm getting the temperature warning, so paint these calipers, let my phone cool down, let myself cool down. Remember, stay hydrated, guys. But yeah, boom and boom. stay tuned. All right, guys, you guys ready? We all done pretty much. I was gonna move this last piece of tape. Hold on. Ah, yes, sir, guys. Red calipers and red drums. Yes, sir, guys. I'm gonna hurry up, put the wheel back on so you guys can see what it looks like, and I still gotta do the other side for the paintbrush to dry. So, yes, sir, guys. Looking a whole lot better. What you guys think? Drop a like down below. Comment what you guys think. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. You know, more content definitely coming soon. This is just the beginning. All right, gang, got the car lowered, wheels back on. Jeez, okay. Calipers matching the paint. Yes, sir. This actually came from factory. Looking good. What you guys think? Well, it's in the shade, so you guys can't really even see it too good. But painted on this side versus non-painted, guys. As you can see, gotta do this side. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. You know, it's so hot out here, I'm baking, but hey, gotta get done. Yes, sir. All right, on to the other side, and so you guys will see the finishing product. YouTube, I am done. The job is complete. As you can see, guys, red Chevy Spark now has the red calipers. Just gotta put the wheels back on. Oh wow, I really should have did this a long time ago, guys. Man, that should have been done from the factory, like on every car, matter of fact. It just pops so much. I feel as though every factory shoe, you feel me, match the calipers. But the paint, it only looks right. Look at that, like, that just looks so good. Look at that bright red drum. Sheesh, it just flows so well, guys. What you guys think? This is in the shade. I'm gonna put the wheel on the other side so you guys can really see what he look like. But wow, I look so much better, guys. Just look at the whole profile of it. Just But yeah, guys, it took about, I want to say about 2.5 hours or so. Could have been done quicker, but you see, you guys seen the heat. It's 98 degrees. I'm out here shirtless, sweating, dying, but got it done, guys. Put these wheels back on. All right, it's one wheel on, other one on. All right, guys, lower them down. All right, guys, and there you have it. All I gotta do is just tighten up the lugs. We good to go. But yes, sir. Finished product, guys. Finally got the calipers red. Now the only thing left I gotta do now, guys, put it down in the comments. But yes, sir, gonna need those gloss black rims. Now I feel as though that'll really set it off. As you feel me, pretty much no chrome on the car. Like no chrome trim, no chrome door handles. And it's just slight things like the spark and around the bow tie and stuff. But I feel as though, yes, sir, gloss black rims will really set them off. But yeah, pretty much done with this video, guys. Till next time.